My name is Booth Williamson. My position is a sports field maintenance technician. I've been working for the city of Scottsdale since January 2nd of 2024. Our work here at the park affects runners, walkers, bike riders, some people's everyday lives by keeping it clean and upkept. If it weren't so, it wouldn't be safe. I like connecting with the community. I like keeping them involved in the community space, like a park setting, dog park, ball field. This park would not look the way it looks without teamwork. It's not a one-man job. You have to be a team here. Our collaboration is between, one guy's gonna take care of ball fields today. The other guy's gonna go trim around those ball fields to make them look nice, so the community wants to go use those ball fields. Another guy like myself would be out there preventative maintenance on irrigation systems to make sure that grass is green, make sure the ball fields stay damp, all sorts of stuff. I'm proud of my job mainly because I get to go home at the end of the day and say that I did something that provided for the community. I'm Booth Williamson. I'm a sports field maintenance technician with the city of Scottsdale, and this is work that matters.